Assalamualaikum. My name is Norila Najwa, and today we would like to present about foldable wheelbarrow.
Here are our group members. First, myself is Mama Hana bin Jamil. Second, Wan Shahmi Hafizi bin Wan Sufyan. And last, Nur Eliana Najwa bin Aslah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, my name is Wan Shahmi Hafizi bin Wan Sufyan. So, I want to present about the objective. So, the first one is to identify target user, user need and design that are suitable for user. The second one is to design and analyze about foldable wheelbarrow. The third one is improve the existing design to a better one. And the last one is to analyze in detail about the performance, the component use, the improvement of material and the efficiency of the foldable wheelbarrow. So next is scope and limitation of project. So first, target customer for this project are farmer, sailor and construction worker. Second, this foldable wheelbarrow is the same as the original wheelbarrow, but the wheelbarrow has been improved to make it have a ability to be for easy storage. So next, general product specification as below. So the first, the working principle of foldable wheelbarrow is the same as a normal wheelbarrow. The tire will turn when pushed and can also lift item. This foldable wheelbarrow is modified made a function more efficient. Next, the design is also the same as a normal wheelbarrow, but we modified it where it can be folded and easy storage. So the third, for the expected size is for the content of the item is 100.57 cm equal 42.45 cm. And the last one is expect weight for the smart wheelbarrow is 8.2 kg. This weight is derived from the weight measurement utilized by a manufacturer to produce the wheelbarrow frame. So, significance of study. First, there are various type and shape of wheelbarrow on the market. Next, this wheelbarrow used to carry a heavy load. Then for the design, before is very simple and efficient and minimalist. So the user will be getting a problem such as baggage and difficult to store, especially in a small space. So the goal is to change from a normal wheelbarrow to a more sophisticated one, so that it can facilitate the user in various aspects while doing work. So next is identification of need. So the title is foldable wheelbarrow. For introduction, we started with design problem. So the information is difficult to keep the wheelbarrow. Next, in intended purpose to save space, unintended purpose to reduce force, special feature, the surface can be fold. Next, customer requirement. The first one is functional performance. Can carry loads more than 150 kg. Operation environment, flat construction site, economic, should have an economic life more than 10 years depending on how it's used. Geometry limitation, compact size is desired, 420 millimeters wide and 740 millimeters long. Maintenance, repair, retirement, no maintenance requirement for 1 year. Reliability, robustness, no failure should occur during economic life. Safety, no sharp corner. pollution, free of carbon emission, easy to use, easy to fold the surface, human factor, no large top on force required to operate, appearance, shape should be consistent with current trade and multifunction. So the last company requirement for marketing, retail price should not be less than 2,050 ringgit. Manufacturing, easy to produce. Financial, to 200 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ilana Najwa binti Azla, and next is background of project. A wheelbarrow, one wheel hand vehicle that is meant to be pushed or controlled by one person. Wheel and barrow are the two terms that make up the noun wheelbarrow. The word barrow comes from the Old English word barrow. However, traditional Chinese wheelbarrows support the whole load on a single center wheel. Modern wheelbarrows are often composed of metal or plastic and typically have a pneumatic, semi-pneumatic or solid tire. There are four common forms for modern wheelbarrows: the builder barrow, the square tray utility barrow, the brick barrow, and the shallow tray variant for home gardener. Next is morphological metric. They have two for body. There's frame and foldable frame. For tank, there's barrow and aluminium barrel. For steer mechanism, there's a handlebar and handle. And for flexible, there's stopper and stainless steel stopper. Next is conceptual sketches. There's four, from the basic one to our final project that can be full.
So, this is our final design for our project. Next, this is our drawing dimension from front view, top view, side view and isometric view. Okay, now we go to the bill of materials. For the item number 1 is lifting arm design. We use stainless steel for this material, and the quantity that used is 2. Second, holder design. We use soft rubber to have a grip, and the quantity 2. Next, folded surface. We use stainless steel to make this folded surface, and the quantity that having used is 1. Next, tire design. We use rubber with tires with tube, and the quantity that have used is 2. Next, front and back surface. We use stainless steel, and the quantity is 2. Next, brace design. Our brace is made by stainless steel, and the quantity is 2. Next, right and left surface. We use stainless steel, and the quantity is 2. And lastly, rings. We use alloy, and the quantity is 2.
So next is embodiment design. Embodiment design is one of the key phase in the product design process, which is we call embodiment design, during which the primary engineer product design idea is developed in accordance with the PDS and economic requirement. So next, following the concept design phase, in which many concepts are developed and assessed to establish a single final concept. In embodiment design, have a product architecture, design configuration and parametric design. So next is product architecture. So product architecture is the option that was selected during concept design, will be further developed during embodiment design by providing the concept, idea, physical or perceptible shape. Embodiment design is concerned with the first configuration and layout of the project. So this is the table for product architecture, which is have two modular and integral table. Configuration design. The purpose of configuration design is to identify the optimal configuration feature for the design and related modelers to perform the function for which we create. So we compare one component with which is the tray. So we compare steel tray and wood tray. We compare with a few criteria, which is high efficiency, high reliability, low cost, low weight. So we choose the highest mark. So we choose the steel tray. Next is parametric design. Parametric design is based on the chosen configuration design. Design factors such as exact size, material type, and production needs are decided at this stage. The performance is then predicted using design analysis to confirm that the design is technically feasible and attainable. This is the last step in the embodiment design process. So, part sizing and product assembly drafting. This is our product and their sizing in top view, side view, right view, and isometric view. Material selection. The strength of the material is the most important aspect to consider while choosing it. This project-based material is metal. The part strength determines whether it will fulfill its intended function or not. Impact strength is the next metal strength that must be considered. Material thickness is one of the elements that influence material impact strength. Next, the tank must be selected by the right material. There are some options of the material for the tank, which are steel, polypropylene, and polyethylene. The most suitable material for tank is made from steel. Steel is choosing because of few reasons. First, can withstand a lot of load. Second, relatively lightweight and easy to handle. Third, corrosion resistant. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next is conclusion. Wheelbarrow are used at the construction site and other places. This wheelbarrow is used to lift heavy loads such as sand and rocks. Without this wheelbarrow, it will be difficult for workers or people to lift or move heavy loads. The new innovation of foldable wheelbarrow can make people in construction site easy to store, as the market wheelbarrow take up space to store. This foldable wheelbarrow is easy to carry as it's user-friendly and easy to bring anywhere. The new idea as two-tire which will make it easy to handle with the help of stopper. Other than that, this foldable will not pollute the environment as it does not have any engine or motor. So, this innovation will give people a good benefits. We hope that this innovation and new idea will contribute to a good result and productivity in industry. That's all from us. Thank you.